is the place where we take the blessings from the Supreme, and therefore we have to take the blessings from there. It's a message for someone which we don't know. So I was speaking to Dadi Janki and Jantiben. If there is a need, then we can say it in this way, that we only take suggestions, but the blessings we receive from our headquarters, from our seniors. Therefore, we have to have a connection with them. So first of all, that one should not think too much. Tell that one that not to have any other thoughts, but on the contrary, create a powerful vibration. Don't even say, oh, let's see what will happen, let's see what will happen, but say whatever will happen will be good. So keep this attitude and go ahead. And Jantiben and Dadi Janki have understood and they are nodding their head. America is also listening. Are they listening in America, this Baba's voice? Baba's asking. And Karuna Bhai is saying, yes, Baba, they are listening in many countries, everywhere in the world. But in India there is some problem. Yes, very good. Brother Golo is saying yes. Are they listening to this also, what Baba is saying? And yes, they are listening to that too. So it's a message for America, and Baba is asking whether America is listening to this transmission. And yes, they are listening, and they, I think, have understood what Baba has meant for them.
बाबा जिस बात के लिए बता रहे हैं वो अपना जो upgrade है UN का,
so Jantiben is telling what it is, that actually we are being upgraded in the UN, and there are many thoughts whether it will happen or not, and Baba says whatever will happen for the Brahmins, it will always be good. So an upgrade in the UN. So Dadi Janki is saying that yes, Baba has said that Brahmins' vibrations work a great deal, and we Brahmins have to keep the consciousness that whatever will happen will always be very good. Therefore, there is no harm in anything. So whatever will happen will be good. Is going to be released today by Baba. This is meditation songs number 7. Beautiful Hindi songs made by Sister Divya of Borivali Center and her group. Brother Om Vyas, who is a regular student of Borivali Center in Bombay, he has got this new cassette prepared. It's Meditation Song 7, and it's divided into 2 parts, so 1 and 2 of Meditation Song 7. Very beautiful songs.
कोई भी आपस में आवाज नहीं करे। ये सुंदर दृश्य आप देखते रहिए, मीठी मीठी दृष्टि का आनंद लें।
Baba is giving
और
drishti
बाबा की
to everyone.
मधुर मुस्कान हमें कितना आकर्षित कर रही है।
The mic has been removed, so but Baba is sitting very comfortably, giving drishti to everyone, and a beautiful song is being played. Baba, the heart sings, "Thank you, Baba, thank you. You have created our fortune." And Dadi ji is feeding Baba, and everyone is clapping.
श्रीनिवास भाई या अमृत भाई दोनों में से कोई एक स्टेज के पीछे आए। श्रीनिवास भाई या अमृत भाई स्टेज के पीछे आए।
So, Tholi is being distributed in the hall now. Baba has a little box of Tholi, and Baba has said, give it to the double foreigners who are sitting in the front below the stage. So there are double foreigners have come from many countries, from Malaysia, Hong Kong, USA, Germany, France, UK, Argentina, Mexico, many from Nairobi, many from Africa also have come to meet Baba, from Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia. So they have come to meet Baba, and everyone here is in a happy mood. Tholi is being distributed. Tholi is also being distributed on the stage by Sister Neelu.
तूने ही भाग्य बनाया
One sister from London has come on the stage and Baba has given her Toli. But not many coming on the stage.
ओम शांति। अभी ओम व्यास भाई आप आइए स्टेज पर।
Now brother.
ओम शांति। जो भाई बहनें उठ रहे हैं वो बैठे रहेंगे और शांति से बाबा के सामने दृष्टि लेते हुए अपनी झोली वरदानों से भरते रहेंगे। अभी हमारे जो गोल्डन जुबली के भाई हैं, सिर्फ वही भाई वह इधर सीढ़ी की तरफ से लाइन में आके खड़े होंगे, फिर हम आपको ऊपर बुलाएंगे। सभी भाई बहने बैठे रहे। कौन आया आगे? अभी भ्राता ओम व्यास जी जिन्होंने मेडिटेशन सॉन्ग 7 तैयार करवाया है, बाबा को सितार भेंट कर रहे हैं और बहुत सुंदर सितार है। भ्राता ओम व्यास जी ने बाबा के हाथ में दिया।
Om Vyas, the singer who has prepared many cassettes for Baba, is presenting this beautiful cassette of Baba's songs to Baba, and the present which Baba is giving, which he is giving to Baba, is in the form of a sitar made from asbestos, I think. Sorry, it's a sitar, and very beautiful present to Baba. in the form of a sitar, a small sitar. There are 2 cassettes in it. The first song is being played.
फ्री सेवा करते हैं और इस क्षेत्र में उन्हें एक मोमेंटो मिला है जो वह बाबा को दिखा रहे हैं.
A memento is being presented to Baba. The sitar which was presented to Baba is made from thermocol, and the cassettes are placed in that sitar of thermocol. Jitu Bhai, the brother who has done the construction of Gyan Sarovar, his family has come on the stage and they are presenting something to Baba. The song is being played. Baba, we will become bodiless and return to the soul world. We will become like you. We will follow all your dictates. We will adorn ourselves with all the jewels you are giving to us. So, like promises to Baba in this song. Now Jitu Bhai is here with his family and Baba is speaking to them, but of course the mic has been removed, so I can't translate. Now brother Om Vyas ji,
इस क्षेत्र में फ्री सेवा करते रहते हैं बाबा के कार्य में बहुत अथक होकर के लगन से सेवा करते हैं. उन्हें इसके लिए एक मोमेंटो मिला है.
Has received a memento which he will give to Baba after Jitu Bhai goes.
बाबा को मोमेंटो देंगे, उससे पहले बाबा उन्हें गुलदस्ता भेंट कर रहे हैं.
But before that, Baba is presenting him a bouquet. Oh, this is a memento presented. He has also prepared a CD of this cassette, but this is a memento which he is presenting to Baba in a form of I think a big disc showing a CD like, but it's a memento. Now he's going to sing, I think so. No. So the senior brothers have come on the stage and they are taking drishti from Baba. And brother Om Vyas is preparing himself to sing his new songs. There are 46 senior brothers who are 40 years and above in Gyan, who have taken direct sustenance from Baba and Mama. They have come on the stage and Baba is giving them drishti. Dadiji is giving them Toli, but Baba is just giving Drishti. Mohini Ben is giving Toli to them. So Mahendra Bhai and now Brother Om Prakash of the reservation department in Madhuban, he underwent a bypass surgery recently, which he is convalescing from, but he is good and becoming better and better. He also was in the Bhatti, and that now comes Brother Baldev from Jaipur, Brother Atam Prakash, the editor of Gyan Amrit and World Renewal magazines of the printing press at Abu Road, Brother Mrityunjay, and after him comes Brother Gurmukh. He is the senior most brother. He was relating his experience the other day that he is 90 years old in physical body. He came to Baba when he was 50 and now he is 90. He surrendered to Baba 40 years ago. There's Brother Dharampal of Madhuban, Brother Mohan of Madhuban, Brother Ravidat, who used to do construction work in Madhuban before Brother Chandrahas, and then there's Shiv Kumar from Delhi Pandav Bhavan. He's also 40 years in knowledge, and this is one brother from the printing press, and Brother Aspi from Bombay, one brother from Saharanpur in UP, Brother Sangtram from Banaras, originally from Kanpur, very senior brother who took sustenance from Baba in Kanpur in the year 1956. Now, after this, Baba is going to call the teachers who are celebrating their Silver Jubilee. After this, the teachers of Delhi who are celebrating this Silver Jubilee, they are coming on the stage. They are being told to come from the brothers' end. The teachers of Delhi who are celebrating the Silver Jubilee, they are now coming on the stage.
ओम शांति। जैसा कि अभी आपको मुनि बहन ने बताया है, सभी को जोन वाइज ही सिल्वर जुबली के लिए आई हुई टीचर बहनों को जोन वाइज ही बुलाएंगे। वह भाइयों की तरफ भी आएगी और केवल सिल्वर जुबली के लिए जो आई हुई हैं वह जोन वाइज ही बुलाया जाएगा। केवल अभी पहले दिल्ली की बहनें यहाँ लाइट बना के खड़ी होगी, वो स्टेज पर नहीं चढ़ेगी जब तक उन्हें कहा नहीं जाए।
There are about 400 teachers who will be celebrating their Silver Jubilee. Tomorrow is the special celebration of these sisters. They are surrendered to Baba nearly 25 years from now. They came to Baba maybe, I don't think they have seen Sakar Baba. They came to Baba after that, after Baba became Avyakt, but they surrendered. From the year 1970 to 1977, that is the margin given to them. So these sisters are coming on the stage one by one, about 400 of them.
देगा कौन इतना प्यार आपके सिवाय।
आपकी याद बाबा
ओम शांति। बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। महाज्योति की आभा ने जग जीवन को उजियार किया, स्नेह सिंधु शिव बाबा ने है हमको अतिशय प्यार किया, हमको अतिशय प्यार किया। पाकर तेरा परम सहारा मस्त मगन मन गाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। तेरी याद में तेरे प्यार में मेरे मन का मीत खिला, माँ की मीठी ममता पाई, परम पिता का प्यार मिला, परम पिता का प्यार मिला। चमक उठे अखियन में मोती, नैन नीर भर लाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। बाबा जीवन ज्योति जगाए। सांस सांस में जिसके तू है, जग से कोई आस नहीं, झूठे मान शान की मन में उसको कोई प्यास नहीं, उसको कोई प्यास नहीं। रोम रोम पुलकित हो करके तेरा ही गुण गाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए। हो बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, बाबा जीवन ज्योति जगाए। बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, बाबा जीवन ज्योति जगाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए।
भ्राता ओम व्यास जी ने जो अभी नई कैसेट का मेडिटेशन सॉन्ग 7 बाबा ने रिलीज़ किया, उसका गीत सुनाया। और ये कैसेट कल से कैसेट काउंटर पर उपलब्ध होगी। जो भी भाई बहनें लेना चाहेंगे वे कैसेट काउंटर से ले सकेंगे।
तेरे मिलन की मस्ती परमानंद लुटाए, जीवन ज्योति जगाए।
अभी
बाबा तेरे मिलन की मस्ती
बाबा
परमानंद
हम सभी को दृष्टि देते हुए
जीवन ज्योति जगाए।
आप सभी शांति से बैठे बाबा से दृष्टि लें और बाबा हम सभी को दृष्टि देंगे और दृष्टि देते हुए हमसे विदाई लेंगे।